getting done here.
We are cooking Geotta. I don't know how to pronounce it. G-O-E-T-T-A. Geotta. Our neighbor Ed told us about this. It's beef and pork made up like a sausage. Cooking this on the grill on the Geotta River at my friend's cabin here. He's the one doing the cooking. We're trying to get it crunchy. First time eating this. He said it was a recipe from Ohio. Geotta, ever how you pronounce that. He had the name on the bag, but there it is. We're fixing to eat this and out here camping. Van camping. Got some people over there. We'll see how this turns out. First time trying this for both of us. I'll be back.